If you're working in hotel right now, there is a big chance that you don't know the meaning of hotel and the story behind hospitality industry. And trust me, it is probably not the one you hear from your colleagues during your training. So hello everyone, my name is Vipin Singh. Welcome to Food and Beverage Researchers. Let me ask you one simple question. Are you one of the millions of people working around the world in hospitality industry? If yes, this video is for you. Because today we are going to talk about a very basic but very interesting truth about the hotel and hospitality industry. Many people working in this industry don't know the real story behind it. Even it's one of the largest industry in the world. So stay with me until the end. When you join this industry, especially hotel or a restaurant, something very common happens with everyone. Different people give you different explanations about the hotel and hospitality industry. Some of our colleagues used to say hotel stand for hospitality, opportunity, tourism, entertainment, luxury. And other persons give you another explanations, or even you simply search on the Googles, you'll get many more explanations. So it's become confusing. But here is the truth. There are no historical facts. The word hotel, it doesn't have any official full form. These explanations you heard from your colleagues during your training sessions, these are just a creative, or you can say a motivational ways to use newcomers in hotel industry especially. Sometimes they sound nice, it's a good idea to train people, especially new people in this industry, but they are not the facts. So what is the truth? Let me tell you. And trust me, the real story is much more interesting. The real answer goes back more than 2000 years. Everything started with one Latin word. That word is hospes. Now this single word had two meanings at the same time: host and guests. Yes, the same word used for both. In ancient culture, the relationship between a guest and a host was extremely important. It was just not a service, it was considered a moral responsibility. Host had clear responsibility to welcome the guest, to provide the food, to provide the bed, provide shelter, and take care of them. And this was the foundation of everything we call hospitality today. So this tradition of welcoming and caring for people was called hospitium. Hospitium simply means the act of welcoming and genuinely caring for the peoples. And later from the same root, hospes, another word developed. That word was hospitale. Hospitale referred to a place where travelers and sick peoples could find shelters and care. About 1000 years ago, traveling was extremely difficult. There were no cars, no trains, no aeroplanes. People used to travel long distance on their foots. Many of them going to holy and religious places. During that long journeys, many travelers become injured, sick, and tired. They had nowhere to go. Then that time local communities and church around, they start building special shelters for those peoples, and these shelters were called hospitale. So these places were open for everyone. Anyone from the travelers could walk in, and they were given simple beds, warm food, and basic medical cares. Anyone arrived was welcomed and cared for, no question asked. And over the time, society developed, and the idea of hospitale slowly divided into the three different services. First, the place provide medical treatment for the sick peoples become hospital. Second, simple and affordable accommodations for travelers become hostels. And third, a comfortable place providing food, room, service become hotel. But here is one more interesting detail about the hotel. The word hotel is actually not the Latin word. Yes, it comes from a French word. That word is hotel. So in old French, hotel means a large town hall or a residence where they used to receive their important guests. And later, English language adopted this word, and over the time, hotel become hotel, the word we use every single day today. So the idea started in Latin, but the word hotel, it comes from the French. So today we have three different places: hospital, hostel, and hotel. They all serve different purposes, but their origins comes from the same idea: the idea of welcoming and caring for the peoples. And that is the true foundation of hospitality industry. So let me recap it quickly. The journey started with the Latin word called hospes, meaning guest and host. Then hospitale, a shelter for travelers and sick pupils. And over the time it divided into hospital, hostel and hotel. Three different places today, but all from the same origin and all built for the same idea, welcoming and caring for the pupils. So congratulations, now you know the real story behind hotel and hospitality industry. So if you found this video useful and interesting, please like, subscribe and share with someone working in hospitality, because real knowledge always should be shared. And tell me in the comment what topics you want me to cover in the next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care everyone, thank you.